Okay, in this assignment, you are going to be introduced to the modular library by creating a new library body from the existing DXF pattern that you were working on in the previous assignment. So to get started, let's see here. I think it might be easier for me if I viewed my fabric differently. I'm going to hover over this toggle menu. I'm going to choose to view it as just random colors. That way I can really see what pattern pieces I'm working with. Next, I'm going to open up my modular library, and I get to choose what group. You do have the option to create a new group too if you would like. So I'm going to double click women. Again, you can add a new category, or you can just add to the existing ones. I'm going to double click basic shirts. Under basic shirts, we have 3 different styles. I'm going to actually just add to an existing style. But if you're working with like a tank top, for example, that only has a front and a back pattern piece and doesn't have a sleeve or neckband, you would probably want to create a new style, and then you would create the new lines yourself. But I think that's a little too much for this video. I'm just going to go ahead and start by adding to the set and sleeve. So here we go. We have 4 lines. So this is the plus thing. Oopsies, where did it go? If we were going to add another. Well, actually, okay. What I'm doing now is I'm adding to the front body. I hit the little plus sign and I'm going to add the front body. So I need to click on it. And there is a little message next to my mouse. I love when CLO does that. So if you're not really sure what to do, it says select the patterns and then press enter. Bingo. It has a little preview. I can give it whatever name I want. I'll say okay. Okay, please check your taglines before finalizing your blocks. Okay, I'll just say okay for right now. Now I'm going to add the back, and for me, I actually have 2 backs. So they're selected, and I'll say enter. Okay. Sleeve, I'm going to select both sleeves actually. So I held down shift to do both, and I'll say enter now. And then my collar. Okay, let's test this and see if it's really that easy. Delete that guy, give it a double click. Okay, double click. There's a back, double click, and double click. Okay, now for the moment of truth is adding gravity. So I'm gonna hit spacebar. Hey, so there we go. I added a new thing to my library.